Good day. For this video, we will be answering some DE level 1 sample problems. Maybe will be given in the assessment. So let's go. For this video, we will have uh, two parts. I mean two problems. And the difficulty will be easy, and the task is to obtain the particular solution of the following. And you can pause the video and answer it on your own. Then play it afterward to see the proper and step-by-step solution.
For the number 1, we can clearly see that this problem is homogeneous with a degree of 2. Okay, the first term has a degree of 2, and the second term, x is 1, y is 1, i-add mo na, so second term is degree of 2 gihapon. And the third term is we have also 2, so homogeneous with a degree of 2 siya. So let's proceed with the solution. Sorry, this is dx. So we can let y be equal to vx kay dili na ka need mag FOIL method kung i-distribute nimo si x squared kang value ni dy karon. So vx ko ang differential, we have dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So plug in mo nimuhang gilet nga value, we have y squared. So vx squared plus x, and si y na vx dx minus x squared, and si dy we have v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. And after that, simplify. So distribute si squared, so v squared x squared plus x times x squared v times dx minus distribute si x squared, we have vx squared dx minus x cubed dv is equal to 0. And distribute, after na distribute is combine ang tanan nga ma-combine, and cancel ang tanan nga ma-cancel. Pa din ako na distribute sa dx, sorry. So matay x squared v squared dx plus x squared v dx minus vx squared dx minus x cubed dv is equal to 0. So try sa natong tanaw kung nabay makancel. So makancel out ato si x squared. So we can multiply both sides by 1 over x squared. So ang bili na lang v squared dx plus v dx minus v dx minus x dv is equal to 0. And we can combine, cancel out ni si v dx, positive v dx. And then ang bili na lang is kanina lang v squared dx minus x dv is equal to 0. So after na homogeneous is separable, kay we can separate v squared and put it to dv and also si x by multiplying again both sides 1 all over x times v squared. So mabilin is dx all over x minus dv all over v squared is equal to 0 times kani is 0. And then integrate. Integral. First term is dx over x is equal to ln of x minus the integral of, we can simplify this by raising to negative exponent, dv is equal to integral ana is constant. So by power rule, we have ln x minus d v squared negative 2 plus 1 is equal to constant. Then simplify. Ln x minus plus na siya kay since kani is negative 1. So v negative 1 is equal to c. And we can further simplify this by getting rid of the negative exponent. Ln x plus 1 over v is equal to c. And again, our original variables are in terms of x and y. So we need to substitute back the value of v. So asa to makita from dire sa tuang gilet. So v is equal to y over x. So plug in. Ln x plus 1 over y over x is equals to constant, and ln x plus, so reciprocal na sa denominator, may siyang x over y is equal to c. And to our particular solution, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So plug in ito na para makuha ang value ni c. So ln of 1 plus 1 over 1 is equal to c. And ln 1 is 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to c. So c is equal to 1. Then balik ka diri, plug in mo si c. We have ln x plus x over y is equal to 1. So that is the particular solution. For problem number 2, we have cosine y dx plus quantity of 1 plus e raised to negative x times sine y dy is equal to 0. So if we will be classifying this one, this is a separable differential equation. And we can proceed to our solution by doing a multiplication of both sides of the equation by 1 all over cosine y and 1 plus e raised to negative x. So to simplify, we have now dx all over 1 plus e raised to negative x plus sine y over cosine y dy is equal to 0. And sige, simplify sa nato. Sine y over cos y is equal to tangent y. Tama? dy is equal to 0. And dx all over 1 plus e raised to negative x. So we can now finally integrate. Integral and integral. Sige. For me, ang ako solution, if duha ka buok daghag term ang equation, is ipang let na ko siya and isa-isahon og solve. For example, let I be equal to the first term. And 2 is equal to the second term. Tama? So, pag ako na siyang isolve, 4 na akong ibutang 4i integral of dx over x. So, kani siya, i-combine mo I, then plus I2 is equal to 0. And find for I and 2. So, isolve na to una si I is equal to 1 plus e raised to negative x. So, kani, if na-master na ang integral, medyo dali siya. So, we can proceed by multiplying both of the numerator and denominator by e raised to x. So equal siya kang integral of dx, e raised to x dx all over, distribute ni, we have e raised to x plus 1. Ganong naingana siya. E raised to negative x times e raised to x is equal to e raised to x minus x, what is equal to e raised to 0, which is equal to 1. So we can finally let u substitution be equal to e raised to x plus 1. To get the differential, we have this. So plug in the values that we have obtained. E dx is equal to du all over u, which is equal to ln of u. And plug in back the values of u. U is equal to e raised to x plus 1. So muna ito ang 1. For 2 na pod, we have integral of tan y dy. Kani. So tan y integral na is given na daan ng for a solution, either equal siya kang negative ln of cos y or ln of secant y. So gamitan na ni. So equal siya karon kang negative ln cos y. And combine, di ba? Ganiha I plus 2 is equal to 0. Unsay answer ani ganiha, which is si ln e raised to x plus 1 plus answer ni 2 negative ln of cosine y is equal to 0. From the property of logarithmic, we can combine these two. Since subtraction, we can divide the argument. So factor out si ln. Bilin rasulod is e raised to x plus 1 over cos y is equal to c. And we can get rid of the logarithmic by exponentiating. So cancel. Bilin na lang e raised to x plus 1 all over cos y is equal to e raised to c is also a constant, so we can just let that as equal to again c. And di ba natay particular solution when x is equal to 0, y is equal to pi over 4. So x is equal to 0 plus 1 all over cosine pi over 4 is equal to c. And our c is equal to, by plugging in that to your calculator, that would give us 2 square root of 2. So balik ta again diri, natay value ni c, e raised to x plus 1 all over cosine y is equal to this one, 2 times square root of 2. And that would be our answer.